Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So I think it's safe to say that over the last couple of months, mainly throughout the course of last year, Microsoft has experienced some serious pushback from users who are unhappy with the direction Windows is heading, mainly because Microsoft has said that it's evolving into an AI-powered agentic platform, which I have been posting on in quite a good couple of videos on the channel. And I think a lot of trust has been broken with Microsoft and the Windows OS, especially when Recall first was introduced regarding security and privacy issues. And moving into 2026, as I've been posting, there's been a lot of known issues that Microsoft has had to hurry up and patch and fix with out-of-band emergency updates. So Windows and Microsoft are not off to a good start, even in January of this year. Now, because of all of this, it does seem now that Microsoft hopefully is starting to take notice and has now confirmed in a statement to The Verge, I'll leave the whole article linked in the description, that it has received this negative feedback and is planning to make some important changes this year in 2026. Now, according to the post, sources familiar with Microsoft's plans have told The Verge that Windows engineers are now focusing on fixing the core issues of Windows 11 over the coming months in a process known as swarming, quote unquote. Microsoft said it's redirecting engineers to urgently fix Windows 11's performance and reliability issues, aiming to halt the operating system's demise. Microsoft, according to the post, is also going to spend the rest of the year focusing on all of the Windows 11 pain points. And Microsoft has said, and I'm quoting, "The feedback we're receiving from our community of passionate customers and Windows insiders has been clear. We need to improve Windows in ways that are meaningful for people." And this is according to Pavan Davaluri, who is the president of Windows and Devices, in a statement to Notepad, according to the article. He carries on to say, and I'm quoting, "This year you will see us focus on addressing pain points we hear consistently from customers, improving system performance, reliability, and the overall experience of Windows." And I certainly hope they're going to put the brakes on the AI that Microsoft has been injecting and wants to bundle into the operating system in every nook and cranny. So it's interesting now that promises have been made. And I personally think that the direction where Windows 11 heads this year will be defined by Microsoft's approach. And if they're going to follow through now from what has been said. And this isn't the first time Microsoft has made promises. But let me know your thoughts. Do you think it's too little, too late? Do you think Microsoft is going to act upon this so-called promise? Let me know your thoughts down below. My personal opinion is, like I've said now for years on this channel, with Microsoft, only time will tell. Let me know your thoughts. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.